It's important to refill wiper fluid as soon as possible when it runs low, so you're ready for dust or slush and salt splashing on your windshield. So here's how to do it, in a few easy steps. First, make sure you have everything you need. Now let's get started. Step 1. Park your vehicle on even ground to keep wiper fluid from overflowing or spilling out. Step 2. Locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir and a cap with a symbol of windshield with 2 squirts of water. Step 3. Check the fluid level and add fluid only if the level is significantly beneath the fill line. Step 4. Pour wiper fluid slowly to avoid overfilling the reservoir. Step 5. Put the cap back on the reservoir and secure it. There you have it, a helpful tip brought to you by the Sears Knowledge Center.